Hey guys, Peyton Snabeck here again for another movie review for you guys today. So, movie number 5 I'm going to be talking about right now is Open Water 3 Cage Dive. I just got them watching it from the website. Sorry it took so long. You probably thought I would probably have this review done by 1 o'clock maybe, but hey, internet was going slow, so that's what took me so long. But, anyway, out of 5 stars, I give this one a 4 because it was pretty good. I actually kind of liked it. And just to let you guys know, if you're wondering, do you have to see like parts 1 or part 2 to see this? The answer is no, you don't have to. You really don't even have to watch them in order at all because they're basically, you know, they're basically different stories to me. I mean, they are. But, and I always kind of like the first 2 open water films. I'm going to talk a little bit about the first 2 if you guys aren't familiar with those is. But the first one is basically about this couple who they go on this vacation and they learn how to go scuba diving, and they end up and they're going on this like this boat where like this tour guide, and they end up going scuba diving, and the boat ends up leaving them by mistake, and they end up forgetting them, and you know, and they're like, are we lost, or how far do we go? And it turns out that obviously they didn't go very far because they left them there, and now they're in the middle of shallow waters, and you know, sharks are coming like around them, and you know, and they're basically trying to find a way to survive and get help. And it was a pretty good movie. And, you know, and honestly, the first one, because the way the camera looked, it kind of, but it wasn't, I don't think they were trying to make it in that kind of aspect. I mean, they did it in part 3, but it kind of felt like if they were trying to do like some sort of like a found footage movie. But I don't think they were, but it kind of did feel like it, though. Sort of. That's what it felt like to me, in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but it did. The part 3, it was like it was a found footage movie, which I'll talk about that in a sec. Second one had to do with a group of these friends. I think it was like a reunion or something. I only saw it once, but they end up, they're on this boat, and they end up going off the boat, and they end up forgetting to put the ladder down, and now they're trying to find a way to get back on the boat, because for the real reason is because there's a baby left on the boat, and it's hungry, and it's wondering where the heck its mom is at, and you know, they're trying to find a way to get back on the boat, and you know, there's sharks around, you know. From what I remember, it really was just about them trying to get back on the boat. It really had nothing to do with the sharks, from what I remember. But the third one, this one, okay, but this one is basically, it was more like it was a found footage movie. That's what they made this one like. So, but basically it was a found footage movie about a group of these friends, the 2 guys, or they were brothers, and one of the brothers' girlfriend, they end up going on vacation to go cage diving, you know, as in like catching sharks, and as they do that, it ends up going really wrong, and I think like a big wave ends up going on, ends up crashing the boat, and you know, now they're in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the water, in shallow waters, in the middle of nowhere, trying to find survival. And, you know, the girl's bleeding, and so they're trying to find a way to avoid the shark attack, and you know, and they just don't know what to do, and they're trying to get help, and you know, it's kind of basically like the first one, but you know, way different, except you know, like I said, the first one, I don't know if they were, I don't think they were, but it was kind of like trying to make it be found footage, but this one was found footage though. But yeah, it was kind of like the same thing as the first one, just you know, different characters obviously, and obviously different like different plot. But 4 out of 5, why not for this? I kind of liked it. I always kind of like the first 2 open waters. But anyway, guys, that is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and there will be, I believe, one more movie review. If it's still on that website, if it is, you'll see it tonight. If not, if it's not on there, that means I obviously did not upload that review. So, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.